Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Discover Agriculture, your go-to channel for all things agriculture. Today, we're diving into the spicy and exciting world of chili cultivation. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a curious gardener, stick around as we explore every step of growing these fiery delights. The first step in chili cultivation is selecting the right variety. There are numerous types of chilies, from the mild bell peppers to the scorching hot Carolina Reapers. Choose a variety that suits your climate and market demand. For beginners, jalapenos and cayenne are great choices. Chilies thrive in well-drained, fertile soil with a pH between 6 and 7. Start by tilling the soil to a fine texture. Mix in organic compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil with nutrients. Good soil preparation sets the foundation for a healthy crop. Next, sow the seeds in a seed tray or directly into the field. Plant them about 1 centimeter deep and 5 to 10 centimeters apart. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Germination typically takes 7 to 10 days, so be patient. Once the seedlings have 4 to 6 true leaves, they are ready for transplanting. Space them about 30 to 60 centimeters apart in rows, ensuring good air circulation to prevent diseases. Transplanting should be done in the late afternoon or on a cloudy day to minimize transplant shock. Chilies need consistent moisture, especially during flowering and fruiting stages. Drip irrigation is ideal as it conserves water and delivers it directly to the roots. Avoid overhead watering to reduce the risk of fungal infections. To boost growth, apply a balanced fertilizer during the growing season. Use nitrogen-rich fertilizers during the early stages and switch to phosphorus and potassium-rich fertilizers as the plants start flowering and fruiting. Chilies are usually ready for harvest 60 to 90 days after transplanting. Harvesting can be done when they are green or fully ripe, depending on the variety and desired spice level. Use sharp scissors or pruners to avoid damaging the plants. And there you have it. From seed selection to harvesting, chili cultivation is a rewarding journey that spices up your garden and your kitchen. Whether you're growing for personal use or for the market, following these steps will ensure a bountiful and healthy crop. Thank you for joining me today on Discover Agriculture. Until next time, happy farming!